Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will cover how to open a spa business in Dubai. Dubai is among the few cities of the world which witness high standard of living. It includes corporate events, parties and attending a networking with the global crowd. Today in this video I am going to cover how to open a spa business in Dubai, what is the legal formalities, what are the requirements, what is the cost and time frame. So now we will cover what is the process of opening a spa in Dubai. So first of all we have to finalize the right location or the right jurisdiction for our spa business. So location depends on number of factors. We have to see it falls either in a mainland or in regional authority. If the license falls in a mainland area, like we can say it's in Business Bay, Dera, Dubai, Karama side area, then it falls in mainland or local market company. And we have to take a approval from the area authorities and other respective government authorities. And if the area falls in Jumeirah Lakes Tower, JLT, we can say it falls in DMCC free zone. So after finalizing the location, we will go for the government approvals, which we can say the initial approval or pre-approval. In that we have to put the shareholders with the basic details. It can be his passport copy, his visit visa copy and other documents. Once we submitted the initial approval, we will get a pre-approval certificate or we can say initial approval certificate. After obtaining an initial approval certificate, the next step would be a name reservation for the spa. We can reserve the name of the spa as per our preference of order. And once we done these two steps, we have to apply for an external approval, which is generally Dubai Municipality approval, as we have some guidelines which has to be followed as per Dubai Municipality's order. Once we take the necessary approvals of Dubai Municipality, Civil Defence and all the third parties approval, the next step would be registration process, which is generally memorandum signing and submitting the office lease agreement to the DED authority. Once we submitted these documents like office lease agreement or Ijari to the DED authority, then we get the payment voucher, which is generally the fees of the license. After paying the fees for the payment voucher, we got our license and other incorporation documents. Afterwards, we can apply for the establishment of our immigration file and the resident visa process. Up now, we will cover what are the requirements by Dubai Municipality, what are the guidelines for Dubai Municipality to start the spa business. So first of all, every spa must put the signboard in front of the door. Second one, the spa must have a separate areas for separate activities like for manicure, pedicure and for hair removal and for the facial, for massage. Every activity have a different area. The next one is distance between the floor and ceiling should not be less than 2.3 meter, and there should be a wash basin inside and beside the facial treatment room. Further, there should be adequate lighting in the room, and there are some other points which we have to cover. The spa must maintain the hygiene standard and all the equipment should be used sterilized properly. Further, there should be a separate cabinet for to store the towels and the cosmetic equipments. And the spa equipment which we are using, it should be approved by Dubai Municipality, as well as the products which we are using also approved by municipality. So these are some guidelines of Dubai Municipality which we have to follow if we are doing the spa business in Dubai. The next part is how much it costs if we are opening a spa business in Dubai. If an investor is planning to set up a spa business in Dubai, he should put a minimum budget of 250,000. Further, it can go beyond, because it includes office rent, further the licensing process and approvals of Dubai Municipality and other process part. Further, we need to take equipment, machinery and all interior decoration and the staff wages. So we can set aside a minimum budget of 250,000. Further, it can go up to 500,000 as per the client's requirement. Now the next one is how much time it takes to set up a spa business in Dubai. Generally, it needs external approval, like we have to take DED, municipality, civil defense and other government authorities approvals. So the process can go up to 2 to 3 months, we can say. So this is all over about the spa business in Dubai. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any question related to business setup, company formation or any kind of business setup in UAE, feel free to contact us and below given details. Thank you. Have a good day.